Okay, 4.1, estimating area using a reference. So a referent is an object that refers to something else. So first part little here, think of objects similar in size and shape to the following. So what's similar in size and shape to a compact disc? So it might be like a small plate. Maybe some other objects that you can think of. A cell phone. A referent for a cell phone, well, you could use maybe the palm of your hand. Or something else that's of similar size. So you can come up with your own examples. Justine's a manager at a community center. She needs to estimate how much floor area needs to be cleared to make space for table tennis. As a reference, she uses a floor tile, which is about 1 foot by 1 foot, or 1 square foot. Measure an area of 1 square foot and compare it with the top of your desk. Estimate the area of your desktop. So you can come find a ruler, a measuring tape, and you can estimate the area of a nearby desk. Justine estimates that an area of about 200 floor tiles is needed to play table tennis. A large number like 200 floor tiles takes time to count. Think of a larger referent with an area of about 1 yard by 1 yard, or 1 square yard, which would be quicker to count. So a quick thing that comes to mind is like a school desk. That might be about a square yard. So measure an area of about a square yard. So come find me for a measuring tape. And compare it with the area taken up by a person doing a jumping jack. Estimate the area of the front of the jumper. So the front of the jumper, once you figure out how big approximately a square yard is, you could divide the jumper up into yards. So that might be appropriate or might not be. So next little bit here, what objects have an area about 1 square inch? So your big thumb, your thumb is about 1 inch wide. So your thumb might be about a square inch. A loonie is about a square inch. Toonie, about a square inch. What objects have an area of about 1 square foot? Well, we kind of talked about the floor tile. All right. Something else similar to a floor tile might be like a cutting board. Or a dinner plate, things like that. So you can start to wrap your head around reference. So things that aren't exactly an exact square foot or a square inch, but they're close to it, and you can use it to approximate things. Example 2, the area of the top of a computer key is about 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. What reference can you think of for a square centimeter and a square meter? So the solution, what objects have an area of about 1 centimeter square? So similar to what we kind of talked about, a dime might be about a centimeter squared, or a quarter is going to be a bit too big. A nickel maybe might be a more appropriate choice. The side of a dice. Those things might be reference. And what objects have an area of about 1 meter squared? Well, these again, a desk, a small table, things like that, a hula hoop. That'll be about 1 meter squared. So there's some practice questions here using reference. So just estimating things, okay?